Welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to cover the fillet command, and we're going to go ahead and use the block that we used for the whole demonstration. And fillet is a place feature. It does not require, nor can it really use a sketch. So a lot of different options here. We're going to cover just the basics. It wants an edge. So I'm going to select an edge, and I can see that it is rounding off the corner, which is what a fillet is. Now I've got radius, so I can change the size of that fillet. And then type, I've got a couple of different types options here. We're just going to cover the basic tangent fillet. Edge and loop are interesting. Edge, it only selects the one edge. Loop, it will allow me to go back in. If I select loop, it will allow me to select different edges that will form a loop. Just kind of have to be careful with where you pick. So if I knew that I wanted the entire top filleted, I could pick that. If I wanted the entire feature, I could pick that extrusion, and it will round off all of my corners. So a couple different options that we have there. We're going to go ahead and just put in a loop on the top. Okay. You say, oh, you know what? I just realized I need to change the radius of that fillet. Same as everything else. Double click it. Go in and edit your radius. Now, if we go to our parameters dialog box, remember that from a while back, I do have D15 listed as fillet 1, and I can change it in here also. So just an alternative to how you can change the radius of that fillet. Let's go ahead and add an extrusion, and let's make that a 1/2 inch. Now I can also fillet inside corners, and if I select loop, and that gives me that nice blend, that tangent blend between the top face of my first extrusion and the side faces of my second extrusion. Same thing, I can come in here, I can change that. Now if I change this to, let's say, 0.75, it's going to come way far out. If I come to 0.5, it's going to go all the way to the top, and then so on and so forth. So you can see the kind of result that you're left with there. A lot of times a fillet will be left where a hard corner is going to see a load, and that fillet removes potential breaking point, because a hard corner, 90-degree corner, is an optimal place for a crack to begin when you overstress a part. So that's going to do it for fillet. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.